Good evening, everyone. As a member, I will have this following 5 plans. First, plan for guest lecture. Second, plan for student engagement. Third, plan to know more about Indian economics. Fourth, to know more about international economics. Fifth, financing all our activities. Okay. So for the first thing, guest lectures. Here are the ideas I have. Arthaniti Club is already doing great job by inviting a diverse variety of guests. Here are few lists I have. First, we can invite founder, CEO for our events. We can know more about the culture of organization, how the economic policies impact them. Second, we can invite someone who is associated with the economic policy reform in government of India so that we can learn more about how the policies are being framed. Third, we can invite someone from the NGO sector. For example, someone from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation maybe, so that we can understand how these organizations are impacting not just in India but throughout the world. Second, for the student engagement, it is very important to engage the students to generate interest in economics. What we can do is we can create a weekly or quarterly or a monthly newsletter wherein the student will contribute their own analysis of whatever they have learned in the day-to-day activity. They read newspaper, they'll analyze the event, they'll send the article to us, and we'll be publishing that so that the magazine is self-sustainable and it is engaging for the student also. Second, we can do workshops on understanding more about the economic policies, budget, and RBI or other policies. Arthaniti Club is already doing a great job in that term. In the past, there was discussion and analysis on budget. So what we can do is we can engage the student, ask them what changes they would like to make in the budget. Next, we can conduct regular debate sessions wherein we take one policy of government and we conduct debates on the pros and cons of that policy. This is for the students. Next, understanding Indian economics. To understand more, what we can do is organize regular workshop on the important